weather advisory in effect from 1 a.m. to noon EST Saturday. 1. Very cold wind chills as low as 20 below expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 1 a.m. to noon EST Saturday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details. Wind chill values may drop as low as 15 below zero again late Saturday night into Sunday morning for portions of northeast Ohio, and additional cold weather advisories may be issued. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside.